All aboard!
Today we are in Nicolosi, a small village 700 meters above sea level, the gateway to Mount Etna. And yes, the ice volcano in Europe starts from here and from this road that from Nicolosi reaches 2,000 meters in height, the highest point that can be reached by car. In this town, everything is the child of Etna. Everything is lava stone. Everything has been shaped by the volcano, the houses, the streets, the rich and flourishing vegetation, since the lava ash of Etna is very fertile. Here in Nicolosi, the great travelers of the Grand Tour of the 18th century made their final stop before the great climb to the volcano, from where, at 3,300 meters high, they admired the sunrise. Here in Nicolosi, there is a child of Etna, the Monti Rossi, from which in 1669 originated a lava flow that arrived after the city of Catania. The lava many times has arrived in Nicolosi. Sometimes, however, it stopped right behind, and then its inhabitants erected small sanctuaries to thank the miracle received. In Nicolosi, especially in the past, people lived only on Etna. They produced ice in the volcanic caves. They sold broomwood, excellent for bakers. They made coal, ready to transport it to nearby cities. Today the village is an enchanting holiday resort. And here in Nicolosi we have an appointment with a local inhabitant. We are hungry. We are guests of Miss Maria Grazia Torre. As soon as we enter, right at the entrance, there is a collection of canes. Yes, they are from all over the world. This is my aunt's Sicilian duck. Here's the living room of this Sicilian house. There is a nice working gramophone.
Allora, no, questo è un grammofono. I miei genitori e la mia mamma è nata in America. Queste sono collezioni
A collection of nativity scenes from around the world.
Questo è quello prezioso.
This is the Sicilian one, the most precious of all.
Fatto a mano. Questa è un mobile antichissimo. Siciliano, sì, qui si teneva.
This is a very old Sicilian piece of furniture. We used to keep flour in
Guarda,
it.
bottiglia, l'abbiamo fatto ristrutturare perché ci mancava questo pezzo.
Here we are in the kitchen. Good morning, everybody.
Io sono Enza Grasso, buongiorno.
There is, of course, a beautiful picture of Etna. Outside the kitchen, there is a classical Sicilian courtyard with two beautiful wash basins where they used to wash the laundry.
Con due bellissime pile dove la mia mamma si lavava la biancheria, soprattutto in questa.
This house is all in lava stone, of course. We go up a staircase, also made of lava stone. This is my mother's bedroom, and she was born here. In this bed where I continue to sleep today.
55, quindi come vede ben conservata.
Dei viaggi, lei è una viaggiatrice?
Sì, io viaggio molto, almeno una volta all'anno faccio dei viaggi.
Maria Grazia tells us about her travels around the world. By traveling, I was able to appreciate my land. We have gold. I think we are the richest land in the world in terms of culture and landscape. We are the cradle of civilization. I have a conflictual relationship with Etna. It is a friend to be respected. He often scares us. But for us in Nicolosi, it has been a source of work for everyone, in the past and also today.
Allora, viaggiando ho potuto apprezzare di più la mia terra. L'Etna con l'Etna ho un rapporto molto, come dire, conflittuale ma anche molto amichevole.
Okay, now let's eat. Miss Maria Grazia has prepared fresh pasta with sauce. There is ricotta cheese with pomegranate seeds and a typical scacciata with cauliflower, anchovies, spring onions, and black olives. There are the very tasty prickly pears and dried figs.
Questi sono fichi secchi, si vede, questa è una ciambella a base appunto di fichi secchi.
Allora, questo è il piatto dove
In this dish with my mother, we used to make tomato preserves, which we then placed in the sun, and when it dried, it was ready.
facevamo il passato del pomodoro, lo mettevamo su questo piatto.
Thank you for everything, Miss Maria Grazia. Thank you, beautiful Sicily, for the hospitality of your people. A nice Sicilian kiss. Ciao ciao.
Grazie, sto facendo, sto riprendendo. Baci, ci vediamo. Grazie. Complimenti. Grazie. Arrivederci.